In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where templates are missing in CapCut on your PC. If you can't see the Templates tab in CapCut, don't worry. I'll walk you through several methods that can help restore it. First, if you installed CapCut from the Microsoft Store, this is often the reason why the Templates tab is missing. To fix this, open your web browser and go to CapCut's official website. Click on Download for free to download the desktop version directly from the official website. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the steps to install CapCut on your computer. After installation, launch the desktop version of CapCut and check whether the Templates tab is now visible. If the Templates tab is still missing, go back to the CapCut website. Click on Try CapCut Online in the top right corner. Sign in to your CapCut account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and check if the Templates section is available there. In some cases, templates may not appear in the desktop app, but they are still available in the browser version. You can choose a template online and edit it directly from your web browser. If the Templates tab is still not showing, the issue may be related to your country or region. In that case, try connecting to a VPN, then reopen CapCut and check again. After changing your region, the Templates option may become available. And that's it. These methods should help you fix the issue where templates are missing in CapCut on PC. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below.